Hi there, I'm Eleanor Bierman, and today I'm going to talk about figuring out how to compare numbers and finding which number is the greatest or the least. So our first numbers that we're going to compare are 99 and 100. Now, this one I know some of us might already know, but we need to go over it for all of the rest of our friends so that they are caught up as well. So let's count our first number. So count to 99. So we need 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we need 9 ones, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we need 10 tens for 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's only one more than 99, but 100 is still bigger than 99. So instead of our question mark, we're going to put a greater than sign because 100 is greater than 99, and I like to call the greater than or less than signs alligators, and the alligator always wants to eat the bigger number. So now we're just going to go like that, and then it's all gone. Our next numbers are 154 and 231. So this one we could just look at the numbers again, right? So which one is bigger, 100 or 200? Let's see. Here's a 100s box, yep. So there's 100, and 2 100s is more, right? So then the 200 is going to be bigger than the 100. So we don't even have to look at the other numbers. Gosh, I wonder what's going to happen with the next one. So this next one we need to build this number. So we need 40 for tens. So we need 4 tens, right? Oops, there we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then our next number that we need is 9. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we need 600s. So 6 of these big blocks. Oh boy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My goodness, that's a lot of them. All right, now what do we need for our second number? We need 64 tens. So if we need 64 tens, that could also mean 6 100s and 4 tens, right? Right. So that's what we're going to do. So we need another 600s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we need 4 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So which number is bigger? the first number right because we have those 9 ones. So this time, oh, nope, they are going to be the same because we need 9 ones. Well, I'm glad that I went and checked that, aren't you? So we'll put an equal sign there to remind us, and then I will put 9 ones on here so that we can really see it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, we only need 9. So there are 2 numbers that are the same, so I put an equal sign because equals mean that they are the same. All right, our next set of numbers that we are going to compare are 271 and 70 plus 200 plus 1. So our first one, we need 2 hundreds, so 1, 2, 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. And then for our second one, we need 7 tens again. Oh goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 2 100s again for 200. So 1, 2, and look at that, 1, 1. 2 of the same number again. So that will also be equals. Goodness, I keep messing that up. All right, and then our last one, we need 84 tens and 10 ones. So how can we make that smaller? Well, for the first one, 84 tens could be 8 100s instead, and 4 tens. And if there's 10 ones, we can just have another line of 10, right? So that's what we're going to do. Oh boy, 8 of these hundreds is going to be a very squished thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness. And then we need 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it called for 10 ones, but we're going to change that into 1 of the tens column. And then we need 9 hundreds and 4 ones. Oh my goodness, boys and girls, our hundreds is going to be super duper duper crowded today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 4 ones. So let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And since we have our first number was 800 and our second number was 900, which one is more? 900, right? Because 9 is bigger than 8. Oh, looks like all of our signs are greater than this time. How interesting. Because the alligator always eats the bigger number. All right, thank you boys and girls for listening today. I hope you have a good rest of your day.